10 Best Quotes of Film The Wizard of Oz 1939. The Wizard of Oz is a 1939 musical fantasy film directed by Victor Fleming, based on L. Frank Baum's novel. The film follows Dorothy Gale, Judy Garland, who is swept away from her Kansas farm by a tornado to the magical land of Oz. Along with her dog Toto, she embarks on a journey to meet the Wizard of Oz, hoping he can help her return home. Along the way, she befriends the Scarecrow, the Tin Man, and the Cowardly Lion, who seek brains, a heart, and courage, respectively. The film is celebrated for its timeless songs, vibrant technicolor, and enduring themes. Dorothy, how can you talk if you haven't got a brain? The Scarecrow, I don't know. But some people without brains do an awful lot of talking, don't they? Dorothy, yes, I guess you're right. The Wizard of Oz, as for you, my galvanized friend, you want a heart. You don't know how lucky you are not to have one. Hearts will never be practical until they can be made unbreakable. The Tin Man, but I still want one. There's no place like home. Dorothy, this simple line is a powerful reminder of the importance of home and the comfort it brings. We are off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. The Munchkins, this catchy song perfectly captures the excitement and hope of Dorothy's journey. Lions and tigers and bears. Oh, my! Dorothy, a timeless expression of fear and trepidation facing the unknown. Pay no attention to that man behind the curtain. The wizard, this line exposes the importance of perception and illusion over reality. Scarecrows don't have brains. The Scarecrow, a humorous line that introduces the Scarecrow's desire for something he believes he lacks. Some people without brains do an awful lot of talking, don't you think? Dorothy, a witty response that highlights the Scarecrow's self-awareness despite his perceived lack. You have a heart. You're not made of tin at all. The Scarecrow to the Tin Woodman, this line emphasizes that true feelings can exist even in unexpected places. You've always had the power, my dear, you just had to learn it for yourself. Glinda the Good Witch, a message of self-discovery and the potential within each of us. Dorothy Gale, there's no place like home. The wizard, pay no attention to that man behind the curtain. Glinda, only bad witches are ugly. The Wicked Witch of the West, I'll get you, my pretty, and your little dog too. Dorothy Gale, Toto, I've a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore. The Scarecrow, I haven't got a brain. Only straw. The Tin Man, now I know I've got a heart, because it's breaking. The Cowardly Lion, put 'em up, put 'em up. Which one of you first? I'll fight you both together if you want. The Wizard, a heart is not judged by how much you love, but by how much you are loved by others. Dorothy Gale, if I ever go looking for my heart's desire again, I won't look any further than my own backyard.